welcome back to my channel. Listen, I'm still trying to figure out angles, trying to film with this new camera because it films in 4 and 8K. So I figured, I might as well try filming regular videos and vlogs with this. I just realized that there's a zoom feature in here. So if y'all saw the video where it was all, yeah. But anyway, that's not the point of today's video. I am doing my monthly let's talk about new makeup products, new beauty products video. If you guys want to see what is new, what's coming out, maybe you should be excited for it. Let's go. First up, a new lip sleeping mask flavor from Laneige. They are strawberry shortcake, coming soon. Oh wait, it says, is this real? So I'm not sure if she knows if it's real or not. If it is real, they're gonna get you on packaging and I'm sure it's gonna smell like strawberry shortcake. I like this sleep mask. I feel like it's hit or miss. Like some people, either you like it or you don't like it. Do you need it? No. But if you like it and you are intrigued by the new flavor of strawberry shortcake, might be something that you want to, I also need to figure out where to look with this camera. Might be something that you want to pick up. Revealed, new Master Matte's long wearing cream eyeshadow from Makeup by Mario. A weightless, easy to use cream eyeshadow that delivers a softly diffused matte finish. Medium full coverage formula, apply effortlessly with fingertips or brush. Can be worn alone, layered for a sculpted look, or as a base underneath eyeshadow. $25 each. These actually have me a little intrigued. Y'all know I don't do much with eyeshadow nowadays. However, when I do, it's usually more like neutral eyeshadow, and these, looking at the pictures, knowing it's Makeup by Mario, these might do something for me. Wait a minute, these, hold on. Is it available? It is available now. Might have to see me. Available now, new blushes from Gucci packaging. Little grandma. Smooth powders and pigments that is infused with emollient waxes to deliver buildable, long-lasting color that intensifies seamlessly layer after layer. Retails for $50. $50 for a blush. I mean, it's Gucci. So it only comes in 2 shades? Those are those 2 shades? Oh, I mean, deeper complexions could make either of those shades work. Maybe a little on the fence with the first one. I mean, there's Laura Mercier, there's that Jane Iredale is what I have on today. There's Rare, there's Juvia's Place. There are so many blushes. $50 blush, you would really have to wow me, and I just feel like this is not going to do that. So let me go ahead and scroll on by. Oh, what's this? New lip liners, Lip Glazer Glossy Lip Liner from MAC Cosmetics with iconic shades. A gel lip liner that perfectly lines your lips while plumping and giving a more voluminous look. Designed to make your lips shine effortlessly, softly shimmering, satin-like shine, creamy buildable color, yada, yada, yada. I don't see a price here, coming soon in 8 shades. Candy Yum Yum. Baby, talk about Lady Danger. Velvet Teddy. Is anyone else having flashbacks? Oh, MAC, you might have done something. You might have done something. I'm intrigued just because it's MAC. It's lip products. Lip liner. And it's funny, y'all just saw that video of me trying those Maybelline lip liners. And then they brought back the, well, not brought back, but y'all know what I mean. They have them in those shades. Okay, MAC. Okay, I don't know how much y'all cost, but I definitely want to find out. Now, the fact that it's a gel lip liner, I'm not so sure about like longevity, stuff like that. But baby, I mean, in general, lip gloss, lipstick, lip liner, once I eat, it's pretty much a wrap for me. I'm seeing a lot of like luxury products coming out, but they look very what luxury brands would put out for makeup while I'm scrolling past them. So someone please, something interesting. Anything interesting, just a little bit. New blush butter bombs from Summer Friday. Summer Friday? Well, I really only know them for like skincare and the lip products. Makeup with skincare ingredients blends effortlessly into the skin for a sheer flush of dewy color. 2, 4, 6 shades. A dual-ended brush. I don't see a price. The shades look, I might swatch it in Sephora. Nothing that would make me like run and go get it, but I might swatch it. What is this? New HD Skin Full Cover Concealer. Is that one of those concealers? I'm trying to look at the tip that has like the brush that you can use attached to it. I don't like products like that. But the actual, product, let's see. High performance concealer that combines makeup and skincare, high coverage with a light feel. Has a texture that melts into the skin, covering dark circles under the eyes, blemishes, freckles, acne scars, redness, and scars. I don't see a price. It's coming soon, but comes in 32 shades. I'm intrigued. Makeup Forever, it's one of those, like OG makeup brands for the makeup girlies, the MUAs, the professional makeup artists. Love their products in their kits. The Complexion products from them are ones that you could usually rely on. So I'm intrigued on this one. I would want to test this out. I will keep you guys updated when it actually becomes available. New glosses. Say hello to Positive Light Brilliant Glosses by Rare Beauty. A super soft and nourishing lip gloss with a light catching shine to effectively enhance lips and create a fuller lip look. I don't see a price. It says coming soon. Some of the shade names: Glimmer, Dazzle, Blaze, and Flicker. Sounded like Santa's reindeer. I'm intrigued. I would test it out. Y'all know Rare Beauty, somewhat affordable. Gonna be pigmented, usually complementary to different skin tones. New Dior Forever Blush Soft Filter. Dior is on fire. Whipped liquid blush with a blurring matte finish. Okay, kind of has me because, blush typically goes out here. So I don't really care about, the finish out here because my oily skin is more so in the center of my face. But when I hear matte finish and blushes, stuff like that, bronzer, well, it's like, I wonder about that. Cream to powder texture, but if you have oily skin like all around the face, that might be something that intrigues you. I keep looking up here. The lens is right there. I'm figuring it out, y'all. Okay, bear with me. Cream to powder texture blends into the skin, enhances the complexion with a radiant matte color and a smoothing blur finish. Coming soon, so I don't see a price, but there are 10 shades. I'm looking at some of the shades. Now, I will say some luxury brands like Dior, Armani Beauty, their blushes, they be eaten. I know I just said what I said about Gucci, but they be eaten when it comes to blush shades. And the blush shades be like flattering for different skin tones. So they might get me, Givenchy is another one. They might get me with this blush. They might. Need to see all the shades. Okay, new Secret Brightening Color Correcting Longwear Under Eye Setting Powder from Laura Mercier. New color correcting shades, a lighter than air loose powder that visibly brightens the under eye. So they've been had the Secret Brightening, right? But I guess now they're just adding color correcting shades to it. I actually really like the Secret Brightening powder. If you're looking for a brightening powder for your under eye, that's gonna get the job done. I actually like this more than what's the translucent powder. It was the honey shade that I fell in love with, but y'all have heard me talk before. The actual formula of that powder is pretty, I prefer the Secret Brightening powder over the regular translucent powder, and now that they have it in color correcting shades. So if you have, darker under eyes or stuff like that, or whatever you would need to, like color correct with liquid color corrector, this might be something that you want to check out. Is it $30? Okay. And it is available now. Go check that out. Available now, Sweet Tooth Body Mist scent, matching her new fragrance, Me Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. I just remembered she has a perfume line. These look like Victoria's Secret, the ones you can get from Victoria's Secret. Perfect to use as a body mist or a hair perfume. This lighter fragrance instantly elevates your scent game. $12 each. Where can you get it from though? See, that'd be my problem. I be seeing stuff, but I'm so sorry. If it's not available at like Ulta, Sephora, drugstore, TT getting old, okay? She don't even be remembering to go check the direct sites for stuff. I don't see where you can get this from, but I would check it out. Like if it was something that was right in front of me, I would stop and smell it because it looks like you're gonna smell sweet, and y'all know I like sweet scents. So I would check it out. I kid you not, I'm literally seeing a whole bunch of like luxury product, like Dior, Gucci, stuff like that, but like it literally looks like none of it would be for my skin tone, which is why I just keep scrolling. Okay, new foundation, Real Flawless Smooth Finish Pressed Foundation from Laura Mercier. A primer infused powder foundation with a hydrating weightless formula, hydrates skin while simultaneously controlling shine for flawless longer wear without creasing, setting, or streaking. Retails for $52 each. Laura Mercier, again, a little expensive. Comes in 20 shades, but I am still intrigued with this. I have oily skin. One of my favorite foundations in general is the pressed powder foundation from Fenty. They say, you know, if you have oily skin, your best bet is probably more powder foundation, but I think throughout the years, we've seen that if you have oily skin, you can make other formulas work. However, I do usually like powder foundations when I test them out. Now, only 20 shades, Laura, $52, Laura, but I actually still want to try this. Let me know if you guys would like a video on this one. New perfume, Perfect Absolute from Marc Jacobs, a celebration of empowerment, positive affirmation, and believing in yourself. Baby, just tell me what it smells like. Yeah, just, y'all be like, it smells like you're gonna go save the world. Does it smell like peach? Yes or no? That's what I want to know. Anyway, features a caramelized fig accord, luscious blooming jasmine. Okay, usually words that are in fragrance descriptions and I end up liking the fragrance. Do I? Actually, now that I think about it, do I have Marc Jacobs fragrances? I actually don't think I do. I think is it Daisy? I think I smelled Daisy before. I wasn't the biggest fan of it. I don't think I own any Marc Jacobs fragrances. I would smell it. It sounds like something I would like. New foundation, the Porefessional. Benefit has had different variations and different collections of Porefessional since I was a damn senior in high school. I'm 31. The Porefessional foundation from Benefit Cosmetics, and I absolutely positively hate the primer. Visibly smooth skin and blurs pores, medium buildable coverage, natural matte finish, 24-hour long wear. I just got a notification, sorry. Waterproof, transfer proof with niacinamide, rose hip extract, glycerin, coming soon. Okay, I know I was just talking a little mess when I started talking about it, but they got me at matte. I would test it out. I'm the foundation girly. If it's foundation and you guys want to see it, I'm gonna do a video. Just let me know. But they have me a little intrigued on that one. Okay, we're gonna do like one or two more because I'm so sorry it's not giving, babes. It's not giving this month. That's cute. Look at this lip stain holder. New collab, new lip product, Hydra Pop Glossy Lip Stain, ColourPop, and also a collab. ColourPop has collaborated with Pop Socket for a custom magnetic lip holder. I fear Rhode Beauty has started a new trend. If you guys haven't seen it, you could like buy foam covers or stuff like that from Rhode where you can attach your lip gloss into the back. So this is pretty much the same thing with ColourPop and Pop Socket. Y'all know Pop Socket is a very popular attachment for the back of your phone. So it makes it easier for you to like hold your phone, stuff like that. So the two have collaborated together on a Pop Socket and a lip stain from ColourPop, which is a hydrating water-based lip stain. Goes on glossy and leaves behind a long-lasting stain without drying out your pout. Infused with hydrating squalene, guava, and lychee extracts. Retails for $9 each. The shades look very cute. Remember, this is a lip stain. I've been seeing some reviews lately, people reviewing lip stains, and they're like, it doesn't last. And it's like, it's a lip stain. It's okay. And you know, if you want the two together, you can buy the attachment and carry your gloss on the back of your phone. Speaking of Rhode, and this is gonna be the last thing because it ain't given this month. A super fine mist that, oh my bad. The hydrating face spray from Rhode a super fine mist that hydrates and refreshes for a radiant, glowy finish. Clinically proven hydration and nourish supple skin on the go. This formula also has added purifying benefits, helping skin feel more balanced and clarified over time. Retails for $30. So this kind of reminds me of the like Tower 28 spray. I told y'all I'll take that with me to the gym. I'll spray my face after the gym just so I can feel like hydrated and refreshed again. So this is kind of giving that. Again, I have not tried anything from Rhode yet. It is supposed to come to Sephora, and for the same reason that I told you. If it's not available at stuff like that, especially I can rack up points and whatnot, I'm just real lazy when it comes to ordering it. But it is going to be available now, and they have me a little intrigued. All right, y'all. That is going to be it for this month because it's absolutely positively not giving for this month. Last month, I feel like there was a lot of focus on perfume and whatnot. So I don't know if brands are just kind of like holding off right now because, you know, summer, you get people who are starting to wear a little bit less because they're outside more and don't really want to be sweating their face off with makeup outside. However, there is makeup that can be long lasting outside. Ooh, my voice. And like I said, I did scroll by a lot that I did see like luxury brands coming out with stuff, but it was just giving casket ready. A lot of grays, like cool tone blues. And it's just, who are we? Who's the target? I mean, I know who the target is, but So let me know in the comments down below if there is a new launch coming out that I did not mention in today's video, but you would like to see me talk about it. Let me know if you saw anything in this video that you have your eye on. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. If you do not follow me on Instagram or TikTok, go ahead. It's the same username. I post shorter content over there and I chat a little bit more over there. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.